guys, we're all ready for Christmas, and I'm asking my daughter what she wants for Christmas this year, and it's her birthday, so she gets extra toys. What do you want for Christmas? A Puffle Muffle Squashle. What is a Puffle Muffle Squashle? Squaffle, whatever you said. That's exactly what I said, I think. I don't know. I don't want to know what I'm getting for Christmas. So I'm just not going to tell you. All right. Come on, Bubbles, wake you up. Oopsie. I'll have to wake you up. Okay. Let me fill this back up. I'm only using this because I have nothing else to use. Bubbles, wake up! I mean, Pinellas. Why did I keep calling you Bubbles? Probably because my old cat was named Bubbles. So Bubbles was thinking that she kind of wanted a new friend, sweetie. Would you know getting another cat? Yep, because that's what you wanted for your birthday, and I couldn't get a cat, so maybe... Well, your last birthday. So maybe just this year. But you get to pick when you want her. Now, Mommy, now! Alright, let me get dressed. So she really wants it now, so let's get to it. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to quickly drink this so I have enough energy. Put it away. Now let's go get dressed. Hey, are you peeking? Alright, all dressed. Answers. Hello? This is an unknown call. Hangs up. What was that? You think someone's tracking us down? And they made me answer so they could see my phone number? I'm probably okay. I should probably bring my daughter though. Alright, sweetie. Are you ready, Petty? Let's bring the litter box so we have something to put all the stuff in. Alright, am I peeing there while I get it? Oh, poo-poo? But I mean, that could work, okay? Ugh, this stinks. Okay, we're on our way. After a very long ride. All the way to the pet shop. We have arrived. Get out of the car. Oh wow, look at all these animals. I know, aren't they beautiful, Mommy? Okay, so we're getting a cat, right? Correct. Mommy! I can only see the one I want. Okay. Ew. Alright. Let's just... Get us so I don't have to smell that. OMG, Mom, this is amazing. Gee, look. we would like to play. Okay. Out they go. Back to another long car ride. Alright. Another long car all the way back home. But in they go. OMG, Mom. You don't know how excited I am. Here we are. OMG. I think it's okay. It's amazing. Oh, set up. Penelope. What are you gonna name him? Puffball. Puffball. Perfect. Now, the cat food and also the cat water. Okay. Cute. Stuff for them. We already have two. And OMG, this is adored. Bye, guys. guys.